Hello everyone, this is Ramit, your geography teacher, and today we are going to discuss chapter number 10 Antarctica, and this is second part of our discussion. But before starting, let us understand what are the main topics which we had already discussed in this chapter and what are the main topics which we are going to discuss today. Let us have a look. The main topics of discussion are discovery of Antarctica continent, location and extent of Antarctica continent. These two topics we had already discussed in the previous video, and today we are going to start from the next topic, that is physical feature, climatic features of Antarctica, vegetation and animal life of Antarctica, Indian expedition on Antarctica continent, and why Antarctica is totally human free zone, and what is future of Antarctica. So all these topics we are going to discuss today. Let us start first with the physical features of Antarctica. The Antarctica continent, along the coastal strips or the floating ice shelves, cover the sea along the steep seashores of Antarctica. There is no coastal plain found all over in Antarctica. The Trans-Antarctic Mountain divide Antarctic continent into two parts. The western part or the smaller part is called Lesser Antarctica. The larger or the eastern part is called Greater Antarctica. The highest mountain peak of Antarctica is Vinson Massif. It is located in western Antarctica. The highest mountain point in eastern Antarctica is Kirkpatrick. Mount Erebus on Ross Island is Antarctica's second highest mountain peak, and it is also an active volcano. The region of Antarctica is entirely undulating. Entire Antarctica lies on the South Pole Plateau. Recently, over 70 lakes have been discovered on Antarctica continent. The largest among is the Lake Vostok. The climate of Antarctica. The Antarctica continent is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent in the world. The breaking of the large iceberg drive the warm ocean currents and winds to the northward, which is responsible for extreme conditions over Antarctica continent. The temperature in Antarctica continent in interior part is minus 28 degrees Celsius in summer and minus 56 degrees Celsius in winter. Due to absence of barrier over Antarctica continent, wind blow very fast and it makes the continent the windiest continent in the world. The continent never experience any rainfall. Thus, we can say the continent is also one of the driest continent in the world. In 1980s, scientists discovered a hole in the ozone layer above Antarctic continent. But before discussing hole in the ozone layer, let us understand what is ozone. Ozone is a highly reactive gas which is found in the upper layers made up of three molecules of oxygen. When these molecules react with the sun heat, they turn into a highly reactive gas which is called ozone. And ozone is very helpful for supporting life on the earth by reflecting harmful UV rays of the sun back in the outer space. Now let us understand what is ozone hole. The concentration of ozone in atmosphere is measured by Dobson unit. The average concentration of ozone in the atmosphere is about 300 Dobson unit. The ozone hole is considered to be wherever the concentration drops below 220 Dobson units. Ozone layer depletion over Antarctica during summer season. The polar vortex, cold circulation, winds, formation of stratospheric clouds, and 6 months of darkness over Antarctic continent all provide ideal conditions for chlorine to break into the CFCs. The active chlorine, bromine, and other ozone depleting substances destroying the ozone layer. This hole in the ozone layer was mainly caused by CFCs, which stands for chlorofluorocarbons, and compounds that raise to the upper atmosphere where they attack and destroy ozone layer. Effects of global warming over Antarctica. The temperature of Antarctica as a whole is predicted to rise by a small amount over next 50 years. An increase in the rate of ice melting is expected to be at least offset by increased snowfall as a result of global warming. The rising temperature causes ice shelves to break up as they are floating. It may cause the glacier to speed up their rate of flow considerably. The glacier will add to rise in the sea level if they melt. Vegetation of Antarctica. Antarctica is cold desert. Therefore, entire Antarctica flora is represented by mosses, lichens, and small flowering plants. The permanent severe frost and very cold wind prevent any distribution of plant species. On the other hand, the animal life is quite rich. The Antarctica is home to the polar bear, which feeds off seals. A new species of octopus has been also discovered in Antarctica. There are walrus, frogs, penguins, and various birds nesting in the rock cliffs of Antarctica. Indian expedition to Antarctica. It was carried out under the control of National Center for Antarctica and Ocean Research. It was initiated in 1981 with the first Indian expedition to Antarctica. It was led by Syed Zahoor Qasim in 1981. It resulted in establishment of a station on Antarctica called Dakshin Gangotri. Dakshin Gangotri was the first scientific base station of India situated in Antarctica continent. It was set up at latitude 70 degrees south and 12 degrees east longitude in 1983 during the third expedition to Antarctica. The second permanent settlement was established in Antarctica called Maitri. It was established in 1889. The third research station of India in Antarctica was established in 2012 and it became operational in 2013. Antarctica continent is totally human free zone. There is no permanent settlement over Antarctica. The scientific teams goes there and lives only in the summer season for their research work and come back in the winter season. The Antarctica is freezing climate and barren glacial coast with no or single drop of fresh water to drink. It is an isolated place in the world which makes impossible for the human beings to survive on this continent. Yet, since the turn of 20th century, people have camped out at least for a part of the year somewhere on the continent. The oldest permanent base defined by the Antarctic Treaty System is Argentina Ocra de Paz in the south of islands of Antarctica. Since World War II, there has been constant increase in the number of bases present in the continent. The future of Antarctica. Antarctica is fully protected from mineral exploitation and conflict under Antarctic Treaty. It is a continent dedicated to peace and science. The Environment Protocol 1991 has ensured comprehensive protection of Antarctica. The Antarctica is thought to be rich in mineral including coal and oil as well as some precious minerals such as gold and silver. However, the energy, mineral resources and fishing resources are exhausted or depleted and tourist numbers on Antarctica continue to accelerate. The pressure to exploit Antarctica's natural resources on land and in the ocean is likely to increase in the future. Thank you very much for watching this video. That's all in this chapter. I hope you understood all the topics and all the topics are very clear to you now. If still you are having any doubt, you can ask me by my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.